Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. In this video, the topic is embroidery design flowers. In this video, I will show you many different and unique designs of embroidery flowers. What is embroidery design flowers? Embroidery design flowers refers to floral patterns and motifs used in embroidery. A decorative art from that involves needlework to create designs on fabric. These flowers can be realistic, stylized, and fantasy. Detailed and lifelike representations of flowers. Stylized is the simplified or abstract flower designs. Fantasy, whimsical, and imaginative flower creations. Common embroidery design flowers include roses, daisies, sunflowers, lilies, carnations, tulips, violets, poppies, and cherry blossom. These flowers can be worked in various embroidery stitches such as satin stitch, French knots, bullion knots, ribbon stitch, stem stitch, fill-in stitches like seed stitch or long and short stitches. Embroidery design flowers can be used to decorate clothing, dresses, shirts, scarves, home textiles, pillow covers, tables, runners, enhance accessories, bags, shoes, and create standalone art piece. They add beauty, elegance, and a personal touch to any item, making them a popular choice for embroidery design. The types of silk ribbon embroidery stitches. Here are some common type of embroidery design patterns. Floral, featuring flowers, leaves and branches. Geometric are incorporate shapes like circle, squares and triangles. Animal depicting creatures like birds, bees and butterflies. Abstract non-representational designs using shape and colors. Whimsical, playful, fantastical design featuring creatures or objects. Traditional, classic, timeless design featuring creatures or objects. Traditional are classic, timeless designs often featuring floral or geometric motifs. Celtic intricate knotwork based designs inspired by Celtic art. Modern contemporary designs often featuring bold colors and simple shape. Vintage, distressed or antique style designs reminiscent of past eras. Seasonal designs specific to holidays or seasons like Christmas trees or autumn leaves. Alphabets and monogram customizable designs featuring letters or initials. Quotes and phrases are inspirational or humorous text based designs. Mandalas are the intricate symmetrical design featuring geometric shape. Nature inspired featuring elements like tree, water, or mountain. Cultural designs inspired by specific cultures or traditions. These categories often overlap and designs to create something unique. Now, here are some common Characteristics of embroidery design pattern. Repeatability. Embroidery design often feature repeating elements like floral motifs or geometric shape. Symmetry. Many designs exhibit symmetry, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Scalability. Embroidery designs can be scaled up or down to fit different projects or fabric sizes. Designs can be adapted to various color schemes and thread choices. Embroidery add textures to fabric, creating a tactile experience. Intricate details like stitches, shapes, and patterns create visual interest. Designs often fit into theme like modern, nature, abstract, or cultural inspired. Embroidery designs reflect various styles like modern, traditionals, or whimsical. Designs often combine different stitches to achieve texture and visual interest. Fabric compatibility. Designs are adapted to suit different fabrics like cotton, silk, or linen. Size flexibility. Designs can be adjusted to fit various project sizes from small to large. Customization. Designs can be personalized with name, initials, or special message. Well designed patterns guide the viewer's eye through the composition. Balance. Elements are balanced to create a visually appealing design. Unique designs offer a fresh perspective and creative expressions. These characteristics make embroidery designs pattern versatile, creative, and beautiful additions to various projects. Here are some examples of embroidery designs pattern. A circular design named Floral Wreath featuring flowers, leaves, and vines. Mandala is an intricate symmetrical designs using geometry, shapes, and patterns. Tree of Life is a symbolic design depicting a tree with roots and branches. Peony Bloom is a colorful design featuring large showy peony. Celtic Note is an intricate design featuring interconnected notes and spirals. Alphabets and monograms are the customizable design featuring letters or initials. Whimsical Woodland is a playful design featuring forest creations and plants. Geometric Shape is a modern design featuring geometric shapes like triangles, squares, and circle. Folk art is a traditional designs inspired by folk art from all around the world. Modern typography designs featuring bold colors, modern typography, and codes. Now I will give you in this video which material is required. First of all, you have a good quality cloth, scissors, frame or hoop, and tapestry needles. These material requires, and at the last in this video, if you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, then leave the comment in the comment section. See you soon. Allah.